Learn Gujarati fast. Please wait, come with me, and
maaf karsho.
in English to Gujarati. Welcome to Polite Survival Gujarati. Hey, you're about to learn 5 super useful Gujarati phrases that can save you in class, in travel, and possibly in a dramatic queue for chai. Let's keep it fun, simple, and easy to repeat aloud. Today your power pack is this.
મહેરબાની કરીને રાહ જુઓ.
Means please wait.
મહેરબાની કરીને મારી સાથે આવો.
Means please come with me.
કૃપા કરીને અહીં જુઓ.
Means please look here.
કૃપા કરીને તે ફરીથી કહો.
Means please say that again. And
માફ કરશો.
means excuse me, please. If you can say these politely, you already sound more graceful than a tourist holding a map upside down. The reception desk comedy. Picture this. You walk into an office like you own the building, but you absolutely do not. Let's learn what the polite receptionist says next. You rush to the counter. The receptionist smiles calmly and says,
મહેરબાની કરીને રાહ જુઓ.
Translation. Please wait. You keep hovering like a confused drone. The receptionist points to a chair and repeats,
સાહેબ, મહેરબાની કરીને અહીં રાહ જુઓ.
Sir, please wait here. Finally, your turn comes. The receptionist stands up like a game show host and says,
મહેરબાની કરીને મારી સાથે આવો.
Please come with me. You stare at the wrong door. So now they point and say,
કૃપા કરીને અહીં જુઓ.
Please look here. You missed the instructions because your brain was busy admiring the ceiling fan. So you ask,
કૃપા કરીને તે ફરીથી કહો.
Please say that again. Then you bump into another visitor and quickly say,
માફ કરશો.
Excuse me, please. Mini breakdown of the magic. Now let's zoom in a little, because your brain loves patterns almost as much as it loves snacks. When you see the pieces, the phrases feel easier. In
મહેરબાની કરીને રાહ જુઓ.
the polite opening
મહેરબાની કરીને
gives a kind please feeling and
રાહ જુઓ.
means wait. In
મહેરબાની કરીને મારી સાથે આવો. મારી સાથે
means with me and
આવો.
means come. In
કૃપા કરીને અહીં જુઓ. અહીં
means here and
જુઓ.
means look. In
કૃપા કરીને તે ફરીથી કહો. ફરીથી
means again and
કહો.
means say. And
માફ કરશો.
is your polite social superhero phrase for excuse me, sorry, or a gentle interruption. Repeat after me drill. Your turn now. Say each phrase out loud like you are calm, confident, and not panicking in a waiting room. Please wait.
મહેરબાની કરીને રાહ જુઓ.
Please come with me.
મહેરબાની કરીને મારી સાથે આવો.
Please look here.
કૃપા કરીને અહીં જુઓ.
Please say that again.
કૃપા કરીને તે ફરીથી કહો.
Excuse me, please.
માફ કરશો.
Tiny dialogue, big confidence. Let's put the phrases into one silly little scene, because stories help words stick. Also, this one has a suspiciously important ceiling fan. You enter a language school in Ahmedabad. A clerk sees you marching toward the wrong classroom and says,
મહેરબાની કરીને રાહ જુઓ.
You stop. Good start. Then the clerk smiles and says,
મહેરબાની કરીને મારી સાથે આવો.
You follow, trying to look intelligent. At the classroom door, the teacher points to the board and says,
કૃપા કરીને અહીં જુઓ.
But you were distracted by that heroic ceiling fan again, so you ask.
કૃપા કરીને તે ફરીથી કહો.
On your way to your seat, you gently squeeze past another student and say,
માફ કરશો.
Congratulations. You are now polite, functional, and only slightly confused. Quick quiz time. Let's see what stuck. No pressure, just a tiny brain workout with better manners. How do you say please wait?
મહેરબાની કરીને રાહ જુઓ.
How do you say please come with me?
મહેરબાની કરીને મારી સાથે આવો.
How do you say please look here?
કૃપા કરીને અહીં જુઓ.
How do you say please say that again?
કૃપા કરીને તે ફરીથી કહો.
How do you say excuse me, please?
માફ કરશો.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned polite Gujarati phrases that are useful in real life and delightfully practical. Let's hear them one last time.
મહેરબાની કરીને રાહ જુઓ. મહેરબાની કરીને મારી સાથે આવો. કૃપા કરીને અહીં જુઓ. કૃપા કરીને તે ફરીથી કહો. માફ કરશો.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, use these phrases in your day, and come back soon for more English to Gujarati fun.